Hi, I'm Faye, and this is the Sterlibox iPad keyboard case. This case is specifically designed to be used with an iPad Air or an iPad 9.7 inch. The Sterlibox keyboard case allows you to type quickly and easily on your iPad, turning your device into a mini laptop. It's super easy to set up. Start by opening the case and sliding your iPad into the cover slot, starting from the bottom. Then click the top part of the iPad into the cover. To sync the iPad with the keyboard, simply press the FN key and the Bluetooth key. The blue indicator light in the corner will flash, letting you know it's ready to pair with your iPad. Find the keyboard in your iPad Bluetooth and click. The blue light will stop flashing once you're connected. This keyboard is designed with the same number of keys as a MacBook, which makes typing fast and comfortable. There's also a dedicated row of iOS shortcuts, which puts the power of iOS at your fingertips without ever having to leave the keyboard. Get to the home screen, search your iPad and the web, and control audio or video playback with one click. The Sterlibox keyboard case has a magnetic, detachable cover, which allows you to use the case in multiple ways, for watching movies or reading. To remove the cover, make sure the cover is upright at a 90-degree angle. Then press the keyboard for support like this, and lift the cover off. The shell is made from durable polycarbonate with impact-resistant corners and reinforced aluminum hinges to protect your iPad. The backlit keyboard makes using the keyboard possible even in the dark. It also has 7 color options. To change the brightness of the keyboard, press FN and the light bulb key. To change the keyboard color, press FN, light bulb, and the up and down arrows. The auto sleep wake feature conserves battery life. Charging time is quick, 2 hours or less, but the working time is long, over 50 hours. This case and keyboard is designed to get the most out of your iPad. It's perfect for business and home use. Get yours today. Thanks for watching.